Wagwan ENT.
When you're number one, you're number one. See? And also one turn number one. But Stone Love Sound are the number one. Even when we lick them down, them still want to keep the ground. One sound against the world. One sound against the world, yeah. Lord, no. Them a fight to love the champion, yeah. Yet him a one sound against the nation. Where is that? When you're number one, you're number one. See? And also one turn number one. But Stone Love Sound are the number one. Even when we lick them down, them still want to keep the ground. One sound against the world. One sound against the world, yeah. Lord, no. Them a fight to love the champion, yeah. Yet him a one sound against the nation. Lord, no. Him just a fling the flick all of the girl, yeah. To love a one sound against the world. One sound against the world. Mind you this, sound boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, sound boy. I want come test me. You should have know by now. I'm not sound we fling them already. To love at the champ, we rock them steady. So if you want it to love, we both willing and ready. But you have to go like that on why? Because it's soft.
When we
So that people bound
we
to
Cancer and Chico present the night called the original Stone Love in the Dance Hall. So we're going to place called You Know When, admission dollars to make it don't play it with the official Brigadier Jerry. Spain Love Week, we left them in pain. Stone Love gonna lift them in pain. Rastafari know. Cause if I don't test Stone Love, them testing in vain. Cause Stone Love are the sound that shall have a lot of pain. And some of them deaf and blind, and some of them are full shame. And yes, I'm Papa Stone Love, man, we kill them with pain. What a shame. Cause Papa Stone Love kill a boy with pain. Bang, what a shame. Cause Papa Stone Love kill a guy with pain. Lord, you coulda bring your sound come a yard, but even aeroplane, or even partnership, or a submarine. But Stone Love and know, are the king of the scene. Oh, what a nice, what a sweet song, what some sweet human being. So don't test Stone Love, if you see what I mean. If it come, every man the same. When we pow and Rowie in Cancer, and Chico present tonight called the original Stone Love in the Dance Hall. The regular chicken place called You Know When, admission dollars to make it don't play it with the official Brigadier Jerry. Spain Love Week, we left them in pain. Stone Love gonna lift them in pain. Rastafari know. Cause if I don't test Stone Love, them testing in vain. Cause Stone Love are the sound that shall have a lot of pain. And some of them deaf and blind, and some of them are full shame. And yes, I'm Papa Stone Love, man, we kill them with pain. What a shame. Cause Papa Stone Love kill a boy with pain. Bang, what a shame. Cause Papa Stone Love kill a guy with pain. Lord, you coulda bring your sound come a yard, but even aeroplane, or even partnership, or a submarine. But Stone Love and know, are the king of the scene. Oh, what a nice, what a sweet song, what some sweet human being. So don't test Stone Love, if you see what I mean. If you test this and love your face, why bend up and lean. What a shame, come Mr. Stone Love, this son boy in pain. What a shame, come Mr. Stone.
It's not what we're gonna live family, go on, make up the eyes for the words, so alongside the Rebel
boy from East, a ball for him belly.
I tell
Here
you.
a son boy from West, a ball for him chest. Here a son boy from North, a ball for Stone Love start. Here's a son boy.
It's not what we're gonna really family right now. Big up the ladies, them looking good every time in our life. I don't know, so the party early. I don't know, so whether take it 1, 2, 3, know what I mean? So in the meantime, as we continue, voice of the one, Mr.
This song to be Babandi, coming in well handy for a Stone Love.
Where I say we power, you mean? Stone Love catch your sound of fire. Stone Love catch your sound of fire. Stone Love catch your sound.
Voice of the one, Mr. Babandi, think God.
People people see Stone Love acting strange, they might think it's a burning shame. The people don't realize it's some sound we're about to kill. So let them say we're mad, they're about to know how it feels to be sad. A sound boy could never be glad in a situation like this. My dogs are out of my box, but that's not quite the fact. My shoes are down to my socks. No place to lay their head. They don't even own a bed. They can't remember last time they were dead. They don't seem to realize what really keeps me alive. It's the power that's so great that no.
Is that what we're the foundation family? Go on, big up.
They'd like to understand where we get our dubs from, so they quit.
It's the early mortals, Stone
We
Love.
just play and
Check it out.
Stone Love catch them sound of fire. Stone Love catch them sound of fire. Stone Love catch them sound of fire.
Boys, so what Mr. Bob Andy, man, I lie. I'm big up the foundation family, big up the Miami crew in the building right now.
I'm a legend. With that, I turn the spotlight on the great Stone Love. Where's some here?
One in the world, live and direct. Master Griffiths and Bob Andy on the case again. Stone Love, we power, roar.
Is that what us go on listen to some tune, John, here to the bar? Big up Lady Daisy, go on, big up.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound why I always look forward to that. Look at it now, Stone Love's got you in a ring. He's gonna whip you and show you who is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy. We gonna show them Stone Love ain't no talk.
I tell you.
We gonna throw some the plates to your head. We gonna whip you and make sure you're dead. Stone Love is king and will rule alone, and will forever sit on the throne. Stone Love is king and will rule alone.
It's the early mortals, Stone Love. 34 years time business, still going on strong.
We're going to have happy times together, dancing to Stone Love with one another.
It's the man like Steve, go on before I sell. Paper in the building, silent, Mataron.
This dance all night we will never forget.
Check it out.
Stone Love is king and will rule alone, and will forever sit on the throne.
I tell you.
Stone Love is king and will rule alone.
Is that what we're the greatest? I don't know, 34 years, global machine, and I lie. So in comes the music.
I'm talking about the early 80s, the beginning of the recognition of the great Stone Love. Look at the dance hall and I see all the beautiful deities. Yo! Yeah, Bob Andy, I say. From one legend to the next. King of all soul. Stone boys don't want Stone Love around, because they have something to hide. Stone Love just always wear the crown.
Boys, the one, Bob
and take away the sound boy's pride.
Check it out.
Telling them that to experience to be beaten in a fight, Stone Love can draw the plate day and night. To experience to be beaten in a clash.
Is that what us are going like some steel right now? It's early. Stone Love every day.
They hate the sight of we, because we kill so many sounds. Stone Love was really, really meant to be,
I tell you,
the #1 champion sound. I'm telling them that to experience to be beaten in a fight, Stone love can draw the plate day and night.
I tell you.
To experience to be beaten in a clash.
It's about to remember you don't know April the night. You don't know say a girls rush that our Rose Lee to wear. You don't know a La Rose that you know say big things.
Blessings from above. Falling on the sound called Stone Love. Leroy Eptown's say bless in the place, you know. Studio One bass? Yes.
Is that what we're gonna rest some on him right now, our ballads?
Sure. Now, isn't it strange how them dibby sound and things? Why come test on love, the dancehall king?
I tell you.
Just why common people like you and me, we build us for return.
Is that what we're gonna girls them go and prepare themselves to come on later on? Party night. Oh my gosh.
Blessings from above. Falling on the sound called Stone Love. Leroy Eptown's say bless in the place, you know. Studio One bass? Yes. Yeah.
Is that what we're gonna Chalice family go on because I say
now isn't it strange how them dibby sound and things? Why come test on love, the dancehall king? Just why common people like you and me.
Is that what a segment I get everything intro down to the tune?
Each is giving a back. Shapeless man.
Taking it back to basics.
And each must make their life as flowing in. Know that Stone Love is the dancehall king. I sing common people like you and me, we builders for eternity. Each is giving the bag of two. Let them know that the Stone Love rule.
It's about in life right now. Don't make nobody hold you down. Don't make nobody try till you say you can't make it.
All the man them pan Stone Love sound. Yeah, we power, Father Power, you don't know say who. Go a long way. Leroy Eptown's assessor. Yeah. Gonna kill them now. We power go kill them now.
It's that about rubber up in a dance song. Stone Love there.
Yeah. Stone Love gonna fight them hard. Yeah. We complete and record. Yeah. We gonna fight them to the top. Yes. We gonna fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get it. We gonna fight them to the top. Yes. The idea at times get old.
It's all about getting the Barbie. Don't be a swimming on.
Beef puff, left and right.
Check it, check it.
We gonna hold this thing, and we will laugh and sing. We gonna find them to the top. We'll never stop.
Miami family go on big up. New York crew. Canadian for sure. British.
Kill them love. Bring them love.
It's about 34 years in the business, someone with the world experience, when I lie.
Mighty Stone Love, we power, and all of the youth them round that. Yes, big up on yourself, cause you know sir, number one thing, Leroy Eptown himself. Kill like the sound boy. Stone Love, I kill them dead. Stone Love,
Herbalist family, go on big up.
kill them. Stone Love got the endless sound boy. You don't even have to play. No, don't try to find this sound boy. You'll need first aid. Lord, listen. Now when you wake up in the morning, you bow down to Stone Love sound. And when you come home in the evening, let Stone Love wear the crown. Stone Love got the endless sound boy. You don't even have the blade. Now don't try to fight this sound boy. You'll need first aid. You're under weeper observation, and don't forget it. You're under our jurisdiction, and don't you bet it.
I tell you.
Don't love got the angel soundboy. You don't even have to play. Now don't try to fight this soundboy.
It's about tonight and love and unity we are doing with, you know what I mean? Peace, love, make some money for the 2007 to the 2008.
This is a special, bigging up Weepo, Rory and Billy Slaughter. Come down so long from a water boot of my face. Pop!
It's about no matter where them come from, love we are doing with. One Jamaicans.
Just take these chains away and set stone love free. Remove us out of bondage, and we will all agree. Too long I've been a slave, I don't want to be no more. I'd rather dig my grave than be locked behind the door. I wanna help myself be an independent sound. I don't want no idiot sound always playing around.
I tell you.
Whether you're black, whether you are white, I don't give a damn. I just want to be alright. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Take them away and set me free. Just take these chains away and set stone love free. Remove us out of bondage, and we will all agree. Too long I've been a slave, I don't wanna be no more.
I tell you.
I'd rather dig my grave than be locked behind the door. I wanna help myself be an independent sound. I don't want no idiot sound always playing around. Whether you're black, whether you're white, I don't give.
It's about this one right now. This one is going to be a special request. I don't know someone like Ras Steve. It's about sometime when you go home in the yard late at night. Sometimes the bush them shake and you wonder who that.
Stone Love, big sound and a big thing, and a big tune, and a big artist, and a big people sitting. I'm Mr. Father Paul, Rory, none of that. The father, the great, Ernie Smith. That's the father, step in, father. Yeah man, warm and easy. A Stone Love sitting, I'm a big people sitting, and a Ernie Smith.
It's about style, class, no.
I and I queen forward. Man a dancehall scene. Stone Love come fi crush it. All selector dip on the green. But when Stone Love start to shackle, inna the big sound clash, all sound boys start to crack up, and every jump and sound just crash. Must be a idiot sound boy. I try.
Yeah. Stone Love, big sound and a big thing, and a big tune, and a big artist, and a big people sitting. I'm Mr. Father Paul, Rory, none of that. The father, the great, Ernie Smith. That's the father, step in, father. Yeah man, warm and easy. A Stone Love sitting, I'm going to say a big people sitting, and a Ernie Smith.
I and I queen forward. Man a dancehall scene. Stone Love come fi crush it. All selector dip on the green. But when Stone Love start to shackle, inna the big sound clash, all sound boys start to crack up, and every jump and sound just crash. Must be a idiot sound boy. I try to test Stone Love. All sound boy feel the fire when Stone Love hot up the scene. It must be a idiot sound boy. Make the whole world know. If you clash with Stone Love, no really matter. You have a scatter. we really got to go. One thing I learned for certain, stone love bust them head, put them out of them misery. Stone love kill them dead. Me know say out they well bitter, me know say out they well dread. Nobody play against stone love. If you know want be dead, well it must be a idiot sound boy. I run from the dancehall scene. All sound boy feel the fire.
It's about 34 years that business going on strong, but not lie. Big up the family, man, go on rolling. Big up the Chalice family, man, there. I don't know the party early. I know say Stone Love alongside the Rebel T. I know say beer nice is straight back till the morning. It's a daylight affair. So in the meantime, as we continue once again.
I'm a legend. Right now, from one legend to the next legend, the great Weepow and Rory come down. Make a job sound and them shot. Soundboy resistance is getting weaker. They can't stand the pressure. They're getting weaker and weaker. Stone Love has got all of the treasure he needs. Nothing to kill a sound. Stone Love is number one. He deserves the right to be the king of all sound. Oh yeah, idiot sound is in a state. Stone Love just makes them sick. Timpan sounds would like to hate, but Stone Love has got all the trick he needs. Nothing to kill a sound. He is the number one. He deserves the right to be the king of all sound. Oh yeah, king of all sound. The whole world around. Experience teaches wisdom. Stone Love rules the kingdom. Many sounds try to test, but they end up like all the rest. He needs nothing to kill a sound. He is the number one. He deserves the right to be
Voice of the one, Mr. Babandi.
king of all sound.
It's a musical blaster tonight, me not lie. Big up the Oliver Road family, go on, big up.
Eyes on me, and I want you to be my bride.
Once again, I say continue.
I Stone Love, I go kill
So in the meantime,
Stone Love playing in the session tonight. We're gonna kill a sound tonight. Stone Love, I go kill sound tonight. Stone Love kill another zinc fan tonight. We're gonna kill a sound tonight. Stone Love, I go kill them tonight. Hey, you sound boy, just listen, you see. Stone Love is a sound in a category. Play it in a chapter like a 1, 2, 3. I say, come on, little children, it's like ABC. Everybody dancing, people keep on singing. Really gonna rock it tonight.
it's all we come on like paper, rusty. Drama in the building, Mataran, silent.
Stone Love playing in the ghetto tonight. We're gonna kill a sound tonight. Stone Love, I go kill them tonight. We gonna rock you, Stone Love gonna rock you tonight. We gonna rock you tonight, we gonna shock you. Really gonna rock you, Stone Love I go shock you. Really gonna rock you tonight. Stone Love playing in the session tonight.
Once again, it's a continent international.
With you, I hear a song. Makes me laugh.
Boys, so the one Mr. Wayne, the one alongside the one Mr. Gargamel. Yeah.
I feel so free. I feel that love
It's not about the Jenga Genius was saying when I said, no, it is.
So love with you. It's for me.
It's all big on the Oliver Road family. Go on, big
So
on.
love with
What about no butcher? Oh my God, Selassie, I know. Let out the pit bull. It's about back to basic. Really matters. Stone Love there, Rebel T. Ready?
Watch this.
Love with you. I hear a song.
Dance on fire. Watch out together, my gather.
Makes me laugh and smile and sing to you.
Them style Atlanta love it in the paper.
Yeah.
I feel so free. I feel that love is going to take control of me. So love with you. It's for
Watch out the dance, I get grand.
what I feel. So love with
All the girls learn.
you.
So soon love you see your sound, you get married far. No mention your tapping and your speaker. So love when the sound, no get married far. Not to mention all the masses them gather and tell me where them go to far. Two we fly out regular.
Where them go to far?
And so love run the border.
Where them go to far?
The man read the sign.
Yeah.
So love,
Watch this.
love with you. I hear a
Dance on fire.
song.
Watch out together, my gather.
Makes me laugh and smile and sing to you. So love
Jennifer, come up on my
with you. I feel so free. I feel that love is going to take control of me. So love with
Right.
you. It's for
Watch out the dance, I get grand.
what I feel.
It's not big of the foundation family. Go on, look at myself.
Yeah. So soon love you see your sound, you get married far. No mention your tapping and your speaker. So love when the sound, no get married far. Not to mention all the masses them gather.
Yeah.
And tell me where them go to far. Two we fly out regular.
Where them go to far?
And so love run the border.
Where them go to far?
The man read the sign no enter.
Where them go to
All
far?
of the girls them run come far.
One more time.
So love,
Watch this.
love with you. I hear a song.
Dance on fire. Watch out the girl my gather.
Makes me laugh and smile and sing to you. So love
Jennifer, come up on my
with you. I feel so free. I feel that love is going to
It's not big of the Lexus family. Go on, look at myself. Oliver Road.
so love with
Bye.
What we bring?
you. It's for
Watch out the dance, I get grand.
what I feel. So
It's not big of the boss right now, Father. Paul.
So soon love you see your sound, you get married far. No mention your tapping and your speaker. So love when the sound.
It's some of the girls them there right now.
Have mercy. Well, if a son want this, I tell him to try. Nothing beat a tug you like a fella, me boy. This two love sound and make
Boys, to the one, Mr. Beanie
bring it up
Man.
from a plate.
Yeah, yeah. Well, no.
Yes.
Ready when you're ready.
So I bring this grace and pour response off your face. You attack off your mouth and you don't know why no we went.
Yeah.
I know what a neither two-face. From your distant love you cannot get embrace. So big class booty I go step in your face. Dirt you in your waist and make you know you're out of place. Disrespect convict we escape. And we name and a linger with grace. Here's the power come. I been up in face and with you in the place before them could have tied them lace. So toddler them come see we and yet them go like them want kill and take over.
I tell you.
So I bring this grace and we want
If somebody remember the big one, you don't know say April the night, you don't know say Girls Rush that time, you don't know say Rose lead to La Rose. And don't forget the Alliance Party. You don't know Saturday, April the 28th.
I'm not doing movies or bodybuilding, it's Terminator. I'm listening to sound love. I don't know. Hasta la vista, sound boy. Don't mess with me.
Once again, the she comes in the voice of the one, Mr. Shiny. Behind it. You get? So in the meantime, I say,
Sound boy once asked when I'll be like Stone Love. When will I see what Stone Love do see? And in his fight to come of age, a sound boy act, but in full of a haste. To be grown up is a thing with which he's possessed. Oh yes, and Stone Love, them always say, take your time, son boys. That is what Rory would say. Don't you rush to get.
It's about there right now, so bounty.
It's like, now you're dead, your mama balls don't love name a call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul. Boy, see we gonna pose up like a wall. Now you're dead.
It's not we're gonna live for road family. Go on, big up.
You're big or small,
yeah.
Good or long or tall. But we for roaring cancer and mercy. Now you run some Bronx, Bromwell. Short man of murderation. Tell them, it's like, now you're dead, your mama balls don't love name a call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul. Boy, see we gonna pose up like a wall. Now you're dead over there, so powder out like a mall. If you're big or small, good or long or tall. For your disrespect, Stone Love your head, a figure fall.
It's not we're gonna family over there right now. You don't know the word Stone Love family. Viceper, G-Force, alongside I doing Paul.
People with us not talk. Now you're dead, your mama balls don't love name a call. Loose argument, Peter, long story, Paul. Boy, see we gonna pose up.
It's about love and unity with David, right, Oliver Road?
Murderer, blood on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder.
Voice of the one, Mr. Gargamel, Butcher, Driver.
Murderer, blood on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. How does it feel to take a life? Yes,
yeah.
I from one mud, not your conscience. Who know you the brothers surrounding the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Why you disobey the first commandment? Walk through the valley, I fear no pestilence. And I feel me witness, yes, him and me evidence. Lift up my knife, some words come.
I tell you,
they could have never escaped this your judgment.
Yeah.
Blood upon your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take the life of another?
Voice of the one, Gargamel. Once again.
Guns out from all direction, million things sing. I'm much man to look and say. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take the life of another? Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take a life? Yes, you can hide from man, but not your conscience. Who know you the brothers surrounding the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Why you disobey the first commandment? Walk through the valley, I fear no pestilence. And I feel me witness, yes, him and me evidence. Lift up my knife, some words come and kill. Them could have never escaped this your judgment. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder.
I tell you.
Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah.
Yeah.
How does it feel to take the life of another? Murderer, blood upon your
Voice of the one, Mr. Gargamel, Butcher Banton with the thing called Murderer. For go down. Guys are about to make some money and have fun. And go and sex off them hot girl where they bow the places. So me and David, yeah. So big up all the man them right now where I go and spend at the bar. Big up the Rasta man them go and big up cause you don't know the party early. And we not rush it. Sell off thing. Big up the girls them go and settle themselves to come out tonight. Cause you don't know the party nice. Right? So big up everybody where they are right now.
them mother hurt, give birth to some new.
Just a few more to go.
Amen.
Then the rebate.
Mother hurt, give birth to some newborn child. Where Babylon can defile. Mother hurt, give birth to some newborn child. Yeah, Emperor Selassie.
It's about it early right now. I want everybody vibes on themselves. Early vibes. Ready and go.
We tell them sing. Black woman and child. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Give birth to some newborn child. Where Babylon can sail. Mother hurt, give birth.
It's about when I wait upon a body for building a vibe. Soul of there. Rebate is here. Two big man machine with experience.
Emperor Selassie. Mama never you cry. Mama never you cry. Well, mama never you cry. So long. We tell them sing. Black woman and child. Oh yeah. For you I really have such love.
drumming machine in motion right now.
Black woman and child.
Yeah.
For you are really a such love. Them dollar bills and coins will fade away. That could never make I proud. Allowed motherland Africa still remains so fine. Them for us from the time. I know you're the first to give birth unto mankind. Well, you're the earth, Omega's divine. Well then, take her to Zion, I give that praise. That's where my covenant will be always. How have you been going through those days? So love of the fire ablaze. Black woman and child, oh yeah. For you I really have such love. Them dollar bills and coins will fade away. That could never make I proud. When the world standing at your door in Ethiopian robe, coming more and more. Oh, what a lovely day. God bless.
Voice of the one, Mr. Golanji.
Today are King David and me so.
Oh my judgment.
Black woman and child. Oh yeah. For you still love have so much love. Them dollar bills and coins will fade away. That could never make I proud. Yeah. Black woman and child. Oh yeah. For you I really have such love.
Right about Nazi, continue.
Undiluted, fire can't quench. That's the you know want them to glass and them lights. You know me I say, when it's down love again, come upon them and
is that where you stand firm in Zion right now?
Undiluted,
fire can't quench.
That's the you know want them to glass and them lights. Undiluted,
fire can't cool.
They know how them pretend.
Do and powerful.
Undiluted, fire can't quench. The bringing us sit down on the body boy bench.
It's about in life and everybody are gonna like you. Some people are gonna bad mind you, but who God bless no man first.
When me say them are loving and them are them you know me I say, when it's down love again, come with.
Is that what it's going John here to the bar? Everything alright.
Undiluted,
fire can't quench.
Rasta you know want them to glass now them lines. Undiluted, fire can't cool. They know how them protect us to love people. Undiluted, fire can't quench. The bringing us in the
only one to go. Turn over to the remedy.
Fire can't cool.
Yeah.
They know them to take us to love some people. When me say them are loving and them are them knock none yam. Me friends them would have accept to love with that clear conscience. Them wouldn't bend. Yes, them wouldn't bend when we are burning. And burn children. Them send them up loving and them are them knock none yam. Me friends them would have accept to love with that clear conscience. They wouldn't bend. Yes, them wouldn't bend when we are burning. And burn children. Say a bad minded in the come sing. We'll keep it on the top because we know we'll never think. Them sweet round, your surround corner, them sting. Them can't get a mile, we never did give them the edge. Who own the bank, them and now who drive the brings. Now for them bow, think you use them convince. Well, soon up come crush them, all like a tank. And the emperor said
Stone Lord. Stone Lord.
Guys, I'm on the party still off our light device from early. So, man, David, so this is got to be my grand finale right now. Before we turn over to the remedy.
Yeah, man, when I night select Jah arise and all his enemies be scattered. I let them that take him free before my stop is being given away. Just drive them away. A stone of sound and a military bless them. A stone love run rounds and dance. A military man says, a Kalanga says, a the prophet says. What is all the way? Yeah,
it's how we're gonna God bless them right now.
Judgment, but standing around. Hey, none of your friends. Again, this one is the food of. And a stone.
It's how every man is bunk on them door right now. Coward.
This one of the food of thought. Wait to your heart. Just know yourself, mankind. Cause when the judgment starts and Babylon sweats like oh, just a go see say
it's the early.
This one of the food of thought. Wait to your heart. Just know yourself, mankind. Cause when the judgment
it's how in a bad mind right. Every man start jump past but Jackal right now.
Babylon your part. Stop flow. All of you, yeah man, when I night select Jah arise and all is
it's the earliest.
I let no man free before my stop is being given away. Just drive them.
Rasta save, I told you.
Bless them. A stone love run rounds and dance. A military man says, a Kalanga says, a the prophet says. What is all the
way. Yeah, man. Yeah. Judgment, bust them in around. Hey, none of your friends.
Yes, people, I like a scratchy, but you're
One is the
bad.
food up. And the stone of it up.
Ready again with the God bless them, the Rasta man.
Well, this one of the food of thought. Wait to your heart. Just know yourself, mankind. Cause when the judgment starts and Babylon.
It's about the foundation family there. Go on, big up. Yeah.
This one of the food of thought. Wait to your heart. Just know yourself, mankind. Cause when the judgment starts and Babylon start lock off. Just a go to say you did blind. Babylon, your fault fountain stop flow. All of your plants, them stopping from grow. You eat up all the flesh, and this the youth them know. So it's a go-go, you go round. Can't find a seat till it's silent, so the atmosphere like jabbery stop from blow. City full of bearded bodies and crow. So it's a go-go.
Wagwan ENT.